Hi, I'm Picasso, president of the Eagle Riders MC. I am very excited to talk to you about the 7th annual Roll the Bones ride coming up on September 28th. That's this month, September 28th. And holy cow, do we have a ton of cool prizes. First of all, we got a brand new route. So this is going to take everybody on a really, really cool ride this year. We're expecting really good weather, so it's going to be fantastic. Before I even get into the prizes, I want to talk about our charities. So we donate to 2 amazing charities every single year, and it's very, very exciting. The first of which is Honor Flight, that helps our veterans. It creates an amazing experience for veterans from World War II, the Korean War, and Vietnam, and provides for them a weekend experience to Washington, D.C., where they give them a tour of all the war memorials, the major monuments. It's an incredible, all-expense-paid experience for these amazing heroes of ours, to get them to Washington to witness these things that maybe they haven't had the opportunity. So that's Honor Flight. We're very excited to be working with them. Our second charity is the Rider SOS Accident Fund, and we have been big supporters of them for many, many years. They are an amazing local charity in Las Vegas. When bikers go down, these are the people that jump in and help. And so they do everything from medical supplies to helping pay bills to whatever somebody needs. When they go down, they're right there. And what an amazing bunch of people these guys are, and definitely deserve our support. So that's where funds from this experience go to. But what's in it for you? Well, let me tell you a little bit about that. The grand prize this year, we're very excited to announce 2 tickets to a Raiders game. It's a home game if you haven't been to a Raiders game yet, let me tell you, holy cow, you got to get there, and they're really good seats. So 2 tickets to a Raiders game is going to be our grand prize, and that's for our top scorer of the day. But let's say you don't do so great. Well, we got a prize for the biggest loser too, and that's a 3-night staycation at the Downtown Grand. Expenses paid. You're going to have a blast. Thank you to the Downtown Grand. But we have so many other great sponsors and so much other fun stuff that you can win. We've got, I'm pulling stuff up here. We've got Panera Bread gift certificates that you can win. We've got gift certificates to Starbucks, Subway, all over the place. We've got all kinds of really cool bottles of, alcohol that you can win. So make sure you come with your saddlebags empty, because I'm telling you right now, you're going to be going on with a lot of stuff. We've got great gifts from Leather Headquarters in town. They donated so many great things to our ride this year. They do every year. We've got knife sets. We've got cigar packs. Check this out. If you're a cigar smoker, holy cow, these are way cool too. So we've got every single stop we have, you're going to be having the opportunity to win stuff. So if you haven't been on Roll the Bones yet, this is not like any other poker run you've ever been on. This is way, way different. So you will have the opportunity to win big prizes, a lot of small prizes, all kinds of fun stuff at every single stop. And then we have some really cool raffles at the end, so you can win even bigger things. So we've got tons of great prizes this year, and that's all about Roll the Bones. So if you haven't signed up yet, please go to rollthebonesride.com. That's rollthebonesride. We're going to post it right down here.com. And you can sign up on there, reserve your seat, and then we'll see you on the 28th. It's going to be an amazing event. We'll look forward to seeing you there. And thank you so much for participating.